Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, as you can see looking at this particular chart clearly, as I've already mentioned you in my previous videos, that as soon as it moves out of $3 zone, we have seen a further upside. Okay, and this upside has made a high of around $3.59. Okay, and a swing has formed at this level. After that there is a continuous downfall, and this is the swing. And if you look at this particular swing, then this level a profit booking has come, where the traders or people who have invested in it have mostly take out of their profit. And now if it started coming again, a swing will form here, and then a green candle will come, and then you will see that there is an investment and increase in the price of natural gas. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, you can see there is opposite U pattern will form if the price started coming again towards a level of $3.41, and then a further upside we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, so this is the zone which is very important. As if it again comes down below $3, it will move again in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, now the gap is still pending at a level of 4.1. okay, to a level of 4.35. These two gaps are still remaining, and there is a clear pattern forming, upside. What this pattern is saying, that whenever it is hitting its new high, we have seen a fall is coming. Okay, and this fall is, see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this was the sixth time we have seen it would have made a new high, but it didn't because of the Ukraine war. And then this particular high is because of the Israel war. Okay, there is a problem because there is a breakout was happening for the reason, and second can be war also, and there are other factors also, and USD dollar getting strengthened. These are some of the reasons where the price is increasing. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next on Monday, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular level. There is a clear U pattern is forming. So if it started moving above a level of 3.4, a further upside we can see. Okay, and this is the day wise chart I am showing you. So suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can move towards $3.245 to a level of 3.3044. And once the price started moving above that level, above a level of 3.3, then a probability of crossing a level of 3.3880 will be there, and from there we can see level of 3.4119. Okay, and once started going above that level, a further high we can see, and it can go towards a level of $3.45, and a probability of touching a level of 3.5. okay, and once started moving up that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 3.58, and from there a further high we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, because there again will be a zone breakout after January of 2023, and chance of touching 3.7 we can see, and then from there to a level of 3.9. okay, so once the price started moving above that level, a further upside we can see. Okay, and once after 3.9, this gap is a probability it can be filled. Now look at this particular chart. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, because you know that the market is uncertain, where some people might be thinking that it will go directly like this. No, market always move in a range. If it's moving in a range, it will hold for some time. That is how it goes upside. In the same way it comes down, that is how it goes. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can come down again towards a level of $3.16070. okay, and if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards $3.1414. and once started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see, and a probability of going towards 3.0687 is there. Okay, and from there it can touch a level of around 3.0034. okay, now once the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see below a level of $3. Then we can see it can touch a level of 2.9, and from there we can see a level of 2.77. After 2.9 we can see a level of $2.77, and from there we can see it will go further downfall, and a chances of touching a level of 2.8113 is there. Okay, and once started going below that level, we can see a level of 2.5816, and from there a further fall we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, and as soon as started going below a level of 2.3, we will see that there is a probability of breaking $2 zone. See, if you are looking for a longer view, so you have to understand if it keeps sustaining above $3, a further upside we can see, and more sure if you want to see, then if it started going above $3.4, a further high we can see. But as soon as it moves below a level of $2, it will move in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, this is the zone where the price will move in for so long. Okay, so now understand, if you are trading, you should not be trading with your full capital. What you should be doing, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, what will happen, suppose if you are trading 5 times in a day with 10% of your capital per trade and a stop loss of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you are trading with $1,000 or 10,000. Okay, so your maximum loss will be $500 of 10,000. Okay, this is the maximum loss you can do. So you have to remember this. If you are taking your risk properly, you can be a good trader. You can make consistently a good amount of profit. Okay, this is what I teach also in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.